This is a story about a mouse and a giraffe, and the title of the story is Chip to the Rescue. Which one do you think is Chip?
The other giraffe.
You think the giraffe is Chip? Who do you think's going to rescue? Right, Chip is the mouse, and the giraffe's name is Dot. You think that's a good name for a giraffe? Why do you think they call her Dot? What do giraffes have all over them?
It has dots all over.
Right, right. So that's a good name for a giraffe, isn't it? Can you tell me what's happening in the pictures?
Chip,
Let's just look at the pictures first, okay? What's Chip doing in this picture?
standing on giraffe head.
Right, does he look happy?
Yes.
Yes, he looks like he's having fun, doesn't he? Then another giraffe comes along, and he doesn't look very happy. He's saying,
Sad.
right, I wonder what's going on with him. He's saying something to Dot, though, isn't he? But Dot's still playing with Chip. What's Chip doing in this picture?
With his neck.
Climbing up his neck. What are the giraffes doing here?
Flying a kite.
Right. Do you ever fly a kite?
Yes.
What happened?
It went out of the way in the air, and then when my brother run, and then the kite was following them.
Good. Did it stay up in the air? Did this happen to it?
No.
No, that's good. These giraffes got their kite all tangled up in the
Tree
trees. Yes. How are they going to get it out?
by the trees.
You think the giraffes could do that?
Yes.
What else could happen?
The mouse could get it down.
That looks like the mouse is coming to the rescue, doesn't it? All right, would you like to read?
Look at the string, and it's around the tree.
Right. It's tangled up pretty good, isn't it? I like the way you
I
noticed that.
had this book at my other school.
This book? Have you read it before? Okay. All right. Now all the giraffes look happy, don't they? All
The
right.
kite is dead.
Okay. Let's try reading Chip to the Rescue.
Chip the monkey and don't.
The what?
Chip and the mouse and don't. The giraffe were good friends. Don't take Chip out for rides.
You know what, though? That word looks like don't, but it's not. It's,
Do not.
no, it's Dot. Remember the giraffe's name. Dot.
The giraffe were good friends. Don't take Chip out the ride. I'm not no
Not. Get your mouth ready.
on top of the world. Chip called out. So giraffe do not know why don't Dot with friends. Whip said
I like the way you got your mouth ready. Slide through the word.
yeah. Such
Could you go back and reread that sentence now so it'll make sense?
some giraffe don't
Didn't.
know why Dot was friends with
With
such a tiny animal. Chip is so small. The tallest giraffe told Dot he cannot do anything. Yes, he can, said Dot. He is a good friend.
Good.
One day, some giraffe wanted to fly kites. They liked flying kites. Dot asked Chip to go kite fly with her. Yes, thank you, Chip shouted. He was very happy. He skipped all the way up Dot's
Can you check the picture? Where was he skipping up?
Dot's neck.
Hmm?
Dot's neck.
Yes. Good.
The giraffe talked to an open field. The bear's kites said sailed
Sailed.
high up into the sky. The giraffe were so tall, their high than the trees. Just then the wind blew here.
What can you do to help yourself? Get your mouth ready. You see a chunk there? What's AR say? Okay.
Hard.
Yes. Yes. Can you go back and reread?
Just then the wind blow hard across the field. The kite flew so
Can you break that word down?
sideways.
Good. Go back and reread.
The kite flew sideways. Flew sideways. In the wind, the kite strings were very long. The kite got stuck in the trees. The giraffe were sad. They walked over to the trees. They couldn't not get the kites down. The kite string were stuck in the trees,
That word can't say trees.
bush,
It starts like bush, burr,
branches.
branches.
What can we do now? Asked Dot. I can help, said Chip. I can help, Chip said. He jumped off down into the branches. Chip ran and ran and
You're right.
And
Mm-hmm.
out
Mm-hmm.
of the branches. He and
He carefully
he carefully pulled on the kite string and got to cut the kite free. The giraffe the
You know all those chunks.
e
Cheered.
cheered for Chip. It must be nice to be small. The tallest giraffe told Chip, "You can do things we can't do. Yes, that's right," Chip said. Dot smart.
What do you think Dot did? Dot's
Dot
smiled.
smell. She know that.
Good reading, Shanice. Excellent. Who are the main characters in that story?
The giraffe and the monkeys. Not the monkeys. Mouse.
What were their names? Do you remember?
Dot.
Can you use a sentence? Their names?
Dot and Chip the monkey.
You keep wanting to call that mouse and monkey, don't you? Where did this story take place?
The setting.
What was the setting?
The kites got stuck in the tree.
Where were they? Where were the giraffes and the mouse when that happened?
They were at the field.
Good, good. Can you kind of start at the beginning and tell me what happened in that story? Okay. Dot and
Mouse
Chip were they were friends, right? And then what happened?
the kite got stuck in the tree.
Did something happen before the kite got stuck in the tree?
Yes.
What happened? What did somebody say to Dot?
That you had to
What did the tallest giraffe say? Do you remember? Okay. So then what was the problem? The kite?
got stuck in a tree.
Okay, and what was the solution?
Mouse Chip the mouse got it down
Good.
by the string.
Very good. All right. Who was talking in the story? Who told the story? Did Dot or did Chip or did the author?
The author
Okay. What do you think the main idea of this story was? What did the author want you to know?
where the story takes place.
Right. Remember the main idea. What did the author want you to get out of that story? Do you think he was trying to teach you a lesson or trying to entertain you? What was the author's?
The the the
Hmm?
the lesson
What was the lesson? What do you think the lesson was?
the story takes place.
All right. But yeah. Okay. All right.